important for me to know. Get that information to Mr. Rojas, and he'll present it to me on your behalf when we come back. And if I can get an updated pre-sentence report, that would be. Good morning. Are you Lee Coney?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Coney, you've got two cases. One you're on probation for in cause number 24, DCCR 1600, on probation for theft of property with previous convictions. There's a new indictment that's been handed down in cause number 25, DCCR 1274. You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, also a state jail felony. It's my understanding that there is no agreement in either of these cases. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. I was speaking with Ms. Coney this morning and yesterday, and she has a request to make of the court. She would like to have a new attorney.
Well, Ms. Coney, you don't get to pick a new attorney. Mr. Rojas is an excellent attorney. He's, I'm sure, talked with the assistant district attorney, is giving you that information and advising you. And so if you want to take some agreement, that's fine. If not, what's going to happen is today we'll go through that motion to revoke your probation. And I'll get pleas of either true or not true to those allegations. Then we'll reset that case for a sentencing hearing. I'll determine if you violated your probation. If I determine you have, I can either continue you, I can revoke you, I can do whatever at that point. And then depending on what happens on that case, I guess we'll see what happens on that new offense. And so do you want to talk to Mr. Rojas about that agreement, or do you want to go forward and leave it all up to me on your motion, I guess?
I plan to go forward.
With what? Just pleading open to the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand the best you can, please. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Thank you. Will she waive the formal reading of the motion?
She will, Your Honor.
Ms. Coney, in 24 DCCR 1600, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation October 29th of 2024 for the state jail felony offense of theft of property with previous convictions, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
yes.
The motion alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the new offense of possession of a controlled substance, a state jail felony, November 1st of 2025. And is that true or not true?
That's true.
Count 2 alleges that you committed the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 3, and I'm guessing that's a misdemeanor
I
offense?
think so, Judge. The case is not yet, that case has not been filed.
Okay.
It's awaiting testing right now. It's in progress.
Okay. And I'm not sure if that's a misdemeanor or not then. Penalty group 3, less than 28 grams on November 1st of 2025. And is that true or not true?
I'm sorry, what was it?
It's the same date. It's just a different drug. November 1st of 2025, when you were arrested, it was for possession of 2 different types of drugs.
No, ma'am. No,
Okay,
it's
so
not.
not true to count 2. Count 3 alleges that you failed to report to the probation department July 24th, August 21st, October 8th, and October 29th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
I'm sorry, he was trying to tell me something while you were talking.
So count 3 alleges that you failed to report to the probation department on July 24th, August 21st, October 8th, and October 29th of 2025.
That's true.
Okay. Count 4 alleges that you failed to never become intoxicated or under the influence of any intoxicating substance. Mr. Nichols, did you read that one?
Failed to never become intoxicated or be under the influence of any intoxicating substance.
And that on or about
March.
the March 19th, 2020.
I'll just drop 4, Judge.
Do you want to,
This isn't my file. I don't know the details
Well,
of the
let's
violations, and I can't amend right now.
okay.
I don't know what.
What I'm going to do is, at this time, I don't want it I want to know whatever allegation that is at the appropriate time.
I can see it here, Judge, and I can orally amend that. What it's supposed to allege is that she tested positive for cocaine on March 19th, 2025.
So any objection to the amendment reading in that on or about March 19th, 2025, the defendant tested positive for cocaine? Mr. Rojas?
No objection.
So count 4 alleges that you failed to never become intoxicated or be under the influence of any intoxicating substance, and that you tested positive for cocaine March 19th of 2025. And is that true or not true? Count 5 alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community service hours as required. Is that true or not true?
I'm not sure.
Count 6 alleges that you failed to submit to alcohol and/or drug screening on July 29th of 2025 at the direction of your probation officer. Is that true or not true?
It's true.
Okay, you'll get to explain later. Right now, just true or not true. Count 7 alleges that you failed to provide verification of completing the theft prevention class. Is that true or not true? I'm sorry?
Yeah, true.
And then count 8 alleges that you are behind in your court-assessed fees as of November 3rd of 2025 in the amount of $575. And is that true or not true?
As of November. On that day, we know.
Yes, that's true.
Okay. Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8 freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true?
Well, with the payment, that my payment is caught up now.
Okay, I'll just take off number 8 and put not true on that one. So 3, 4, 6, and 7, did you plead true, again, freely and voluntarily?
Yes,
And because those counts are actually true?
yes,
All right, then I'm going to find counts 3, 4, 6, and 7 true, find that you entered those pleas freely and voluntarily, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to reset the case for a hearing. I would anticipate, Mr. Nichols, that you would have some evidence with regard to the count 1, the new
Yes, Your Honor, the
offense.
state will prove up.
Do you think we would need
I would-
more than an hour or so?
I wouldn't think so, Judge.
Okay.
Appears to be a traffic stop.
One
Drug traffic.
or two, I guess, a 2 witness.
Yes.
We need
At least
lab.
2. Hour and a half, I would think.
Okay, we'll get it set for an appropriate day. Just everybody make a notation that it will be set for a hearing for that. Anything that you think is important for me to know, get that information to Mr. Rojas, and he'll present it to me on your behalf when we come back. And if I can get an updated pre-sentence report, that would be great as well. Thank you, ma'am, for being here. You can go back with the bailiff. Oh, actually, come over here to the clerk. She needs your fingerprint before you go back with the bailiff.